Let's do number 3 of the independent practice. First, we have to put it into standard form, so we have to move this negative 8x over, so it becomes 8x squared plus, 10x squared plus 8x plus 1 equals 0. So A equals 10, and B equals 8, and C equals 1. And then we have to substitute it into the quadratic formula, so x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's go ahead and substitute. So we have negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 10 times 1. Okay, 2 and then 10. So x equals negative 8 plus or minus square root of 64. Now we have a negative and 2 positives, so we're going to end up with a negative. So negative 40 and then over 20. So x equals negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 24 over 20. So negative 8 plus or minus, we have 24. I'm going to go ahead and factor 12 out. We have 2 out, 12, and then 2 and 6, and then 2 and 3. So that is made up of 2 times 3. And then we have 20. Uh-oh, running out of space. What am I going to do? Well, let's first take out these 2 2's. Okay, I'm going to go up. So we have negative 8 plus or minus 2 to the square. We have a 2 and a 3 left. So we can go ahead and multiply those. That's a 6. Now we have this. Now we need to simplify. Okay, I'm going to pause it. I'm going to write it down, and I'm going to go ahead and take. Okay, now we have 2 terms on the top, and I'm going to separate it out, dividing both of them by 20. So x equals negative 8 over 20 plus or minus 2 to the square root of 6 over 20. So when I simplify that, both of these are divisible by 4. So we have 2 and 5. Okay, so that's negative 2/5 plus or minus, and then we have 1, 10. So square root of 6 over 10. Okay, that could be our final answer. And if you kept it like this and you decided to just simplify from here everything that's common, you can say they're all divisible by 2. So you have 1 here and a 2 here and a 5 here. So that gives you negative 2 plus or minus, divisible by 2, so that's 4. Negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 6 over 10. Should be 10, because they're all divisible by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. So you can have this as x. Okay, either way, they're both right. Okay, they both mean the same thing. Okay, good job.